What's up everybody, Babadees here, and today we are doing something that I've been dying to show you guys. This is the unboxing of the one and only revolutionary product brought to you by CookingPal called the Multo. Now this product is gonna change everything in your kitchen. It does everything. It cooks, it cleans, it teaches you. It's gonna make pretty much every other appliance in your kitchen obsolete. So let's get started. Inside the box, you're gonna get all of your accessories, starting off with the strainer basket. Now, one of the things that I gotta say from the very beginning, the quality of the packaging, the quality of the product it just speaks as soon as you open up the box. You'll see that everything is labeled and displayed. But here is possibly the star of the show. This is gonna be your digital chef. It's gonna be an LCD display similar to an iPad in size, and it pretty much has their application that shows you hundreds of recipes step by step. You push a button, it tells you what to do, the device can weigh itself, it can clean itself, and it can pretty much replace hundreds of appliances that you have in your home. Now, it does come with the warranty package, comes with all the accessories in terms of the USB plug and stand, and then here's the beast. This is the Multo. This is the actual device that's gonna be cooking your food. It's similar to the size of a large blender, but what you're gonna get inside this unit is the ability to chop, mix, blend, knead, steam, saute. It weighs things, it warms things up, it cooks, and even more, it can clean itself. All the accessories, including this nice, beautiful steaming basket, is inside, also the kneading mix, and the possibilities are endless, absolutely endless with this product. This is an all-in-one cooking appliance. It's like having your own personal chef. It removes most of the manual labor from cooking, and it makes it simple. My slogan has always been, once I show you how to do it, you'll know how to do it, but the Multo kind of does that for you without me being there. But I'm gonna be sharing all of my videos with you. So until next time, I will see you guys later. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you continue watching. Leave a comment at the bottom, because let's talk about this amazing revolutionary product. Take care, be safe.